website, Lottery Books. If you do not have any dice, you can go to this website and roll dice there, different sided dice. Here we have a blog site, Kindle books on lottery, any other kind of books you want. This is Jimmy the Swede's Lottery Methods and Systems. Picking the bonus ball. Picking the bonus ball, whether it be the Powerball, Mega Ball, or any other bonus ball. Check statistics and figure the odds. Make those 20 bonus ball charts. Get those 20-sided dice out. Let's get on number picking. Today we're having Jimmy the Swede's MegaMillions bonus ball charts and statistics. There is an 11-year period, 2001 to 2011, and 1 or 2 draws in 2012. The yellow designates numbers that have hit 30 or more. And we have them right there. And we can kind of look at them. This is 37 and above. None of them hit 30. There are 9 bonus numbers that equal 30 or more times drawn over a period between 2001 and 2011. That's an 11-year period. 30 divided by 11 equals 2.73, or close to 3 times per year. So those numbers, you can say, if they've hit once, you can play them again. If they've hit twice, you can play them again. If they've hit 3 times, well, that's probably the last time for that number for that year. 37, number 36 is the highest at 37 times over a period of this period of 11 years. 37 divided by 11, which is 11 years, equals 3.36. So 36, you could hit, 4 times a year. 28 is the lowest over this 11-year period, with 13 times being drawn as the bonus ball. 13 divided by 11 years equals 1.2 times a year. So 28 will probably be picked once a year, possibly twice a year. So 28 would be the least likely you would want to choose. The 9 numbers that have been drawn for 30 or more times in this 11-year period are 3 at 32 times, 9 at 30 times, 10 at 30 times, 13 at 30 times, 19 at 30 times, 21 at 35 times, 34, 32 times, 35 at 31 times, and 36 at 37 times. That's the big winner. What this means is, when counting in year 2012, when coming close to that number of yearly average for that number, the less likely that number will be drawn. So like 36 could be drawn 4 times a year. And we've gone over the numbers starting at 30. So between 3 and 4 times a year these numbers are. What this means is, when counting in year 2012, when coming close to the number of the yearly average, the less likely that number will be drawn. Using 28 as an example, if 28 has been used once or twice in 2012, then it will become less likely to be the bonus ball number. On the other hand, if 36 has been drawn once or twice, it has the odds of being drawn again. If you look at the chart, you will see some numbers have a consistent yearly draw, like 16 has yearly draws of generally 1 and a couple of 3s there. It's pretty consistent, except for 2002 when it didn't even hit the bonus ball. You can say it has a reliable number every year. Only 1 year it didn't become a bonus ball number, and that was 2002, as we said. So if it comes up once or twice in 2012, don't play it again. Consistency should give you a better feeling of when playing numbers. Watch for trends in numbers you are playing. Here again, the bonus numbers and of the 11-year period that they were drawn, and the yellow designates 30 or more draws for 11 years. And 34, 35, 36, and above 37, nothing in the 30s. There's the chart from 2001 to 2011 and a couple of January 2012. Yellow marks the spot. And these is 37 on up. Here we have 11 years chart for the bonus numbers. And I've circled the high numbers that are like 5 or more for each number. 7 are the big ones here. That's the most in any year for one number. And you'll notice that a couple of them have hit 5 twice in the 11-year time. And this is the higher numbers here, bonus numbers, and their chart. Again, we have lottery. We have the lottery books and the website. We have the website for rolling dice if you don't have any, or if you want to get different sided dice here. And here's a blog site for Kindle books, and you can get lottery books, you can get any kind of books here.